Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn the reasons to collect the coins. Why we need to collect the coins. Coin collecting is a hobby that dates back to ancient time and has survived even today. So it was there in the earlier time and even today we have it. So we have some of the reasons why we need to collect. So that is the accessibility. One of the plus side to collect coin is how easy it is for anyone to begin. It's easy to start refilling through the coin in your purse or changing jar to see which you want to keep. It's also a funny activity for both adults as well as children's. The challenge, a fun aspect to old coin collection is how difficult it can be to find a perfect one to add into your collection. Some coins minted in certain years can be difficult to come by because the like as we discussed yesterday, the number of the quantity of mint will be very less, so it's very difficult to collect the coins. And if you want that particular coin, you need to pay for that. It may be huge amount or it can be very minimum to a huge amount, so it starts from 50 rupees to can be a lakhs of rupees. This aspect of collecting coin is often a major appeal to beginners, and there is excitement in searching for a coin from a center, year, state, and country coins. Make money. So, coin collection, it doesn't mean that just for a fun or for a hobby you are going to collect. So, it will be like, see, there are few coins where, as I told, which are very rare and which are very minted very less in a year, so they may cost very huge, like it can be in lakhs or in thousands. Depends upon the quantity and the mint. So sometimes the biggest appeal to collect coins is the mandatory value of collecting. Well, a board full of quarters may not seem exciting or valuable now, but it in the time those coins will increase in value. As I told, like, see, when you start, like, it may be like you may not be knowing the value of the coin, but as you go on collecting the coins in future, like, you'll come to know. There may be, like, in your collection there may be some coins may be valuable, and they may sell it for a huge amount. So the coin collection also tells you about the beauty and the history. If you enjoy history, coin collection can be exciting venture because of how far back coins go in history. As you research different coins, you'll come to know a lot about history, even times. You can even enjoy the beauty of each coin by, like the seeing the mint, the structure. So all the coins are not in the same, so they have a different structure, the different images and different years. So by seeing that, you will enjoy the collection of coins. And it's not only the enjoy or value, even you can learn many things from the coins. The most people probably don't much thought into losing change in their pockets, but even they learn the production, the history, what is the material, what is the weight of the material, when it is printed, who has printed, why they have printed. There are many reasons behind printing the the minting the coins, so you'll come to know. And even material content. So for example, if you take nowadays, I think you are getting most of them are stainless steel. Earlier, they were like bronze. The copper, nickel, silver was there. Even the gold coins used to be there. Maybe before 100 years before. Some collection decided to collect coins. Right recently, I don't think they have a silver coins, but yeah, if you go for UNC or proof set, you can get it. They are very minimum mint is there, so that will be applicable. That will be available only in the government website, so I'll be mentioning that at the end. Meaning behind the coin. So when you collect, it's not only the metal, or there will be a meaning. So as I told you, like the when they mint a coin, so it's on any occasion or the birth anniversary, death anniversary, or the location. Even if you go for United States, so US coins are minted, they have a theme. So the theme earlier was the president of US. So the quarter coins used to have all the presidents from the starting of the president till date. So unless and until the president theme completes, they will not start the new theme. So that is how they print. I mean, they have the meaning and they have the history of the coins. So something to pause. So even like for example, like you have collected the coins and you can show you to your kids or your future that these are the things, these are the history we have about the coins, what why they have minted. So you can just pass on to that to the next generation. So this is the reason to collect the coins. So next we have how to start collecting coins. So this is for a beginners. So just I mean like for beginners. So just first you need to have the mindset to start collecting the coins. Uh, so once you start collecting the coins, you need to collect the coins which are available in the market. So for example, if you're going for market and you are doing some transactions, purchasing some vegetables, fruits or anything, so you may get some coins. Have it, like don't spend that for other transactions. So keep the coins whatever you have, and study about the coins. So few of the links are below, so you can study. So that tells you like the history of Indian. So these are the Indian coin history. So even world coins also there. So you can study. First start with the Indian coins. Later you can go for the foreign coins. So it will tell you when the coin has started, what is the year of the mint. So everything it will tells you. Once you have few coins, separate them with respect to its value. For example, 25 pies, 50 pies, 1 2 5 rupees, etc. So start investing small amounts. So for example, if you don't have, I think nowadays I don't see 25 or 50 pies or on transactions. So you can collect them from online. There are few online stores are there. For an, I mean like start with 100 to 200, 500 rupees uh, to collect the coins which you don't have, and have purchased a, I mean like file which is a ring file. So better to have a ring file where you can increase your sheets, coin sheets. Whenever you have more coins, you can increase your sheets. You There will be a folder with fixed sheets, but I think that will be limited to certain sheets. So better to have the ring file, so you can add number of sheets manually. So the different sheet have a different value coins. So to end with, I'll tell you that, I mean, the coin collection is the best part about a coin collection is that you can start anytime, and I mean it can be any day. There is no certain day to start, so you can start it today. Collection, it will be both fun. When you once you start collecting, you feel that challenge and the fun, and you also teach about the nation's history and cultures to the other people. So if you need any help or anything, just you can message me or you can call me. Thank you. So here is the few samples. You can see how the coin collected. So these are the US coins. So it's a $quarter coin, New Jersey. So it's from 1999, and you can see the coins. So different. This is having a theme. So uh, I mean like that. This is a island, the lake of the US. So this mint. So it started from 1999, and $quarter. So these are the $quarter. And here you can see the coins, the $quarter coins, and these are the dollar coins, $1 coins. So you can see the presidents of US. So it starts from 2007, and you can see the till you can find. So 2011 it is there. So and few other coins. So 2013 till 2013 I have collected. The others I have other things like, so these are few other country coins. They are like not I mean in sequence, but they are uh, assorted coins. So different country, you can see Pemba, Euro cents, Japan. And this is the file I told you regarding uh, the the ring pin, I mean the ring file. So you will have the ring. So these are the sheets. You can add it separately. If you want more, you can add it. And this is the US coins, and here this is not a ring file, but it has a fixed number of sheets, so you can find it. This is all the Indian coin files, so you can see. So these are the Indian coins, where starts from the quarter anna, half anna, and till you will have all. You can find till 10 rupees. So 5 rupees coins. So these are all minted in different places with you can see the years and on the occasion, on what occasion they have uh, minted. So this is the 5 rupee coin, University of Mysore centenary celebration, and you can see the top. So this is Rani Gaido Nilu, and you can see the different on the different occasion, golden jubilee celebration of sacrifice, Vellore sacrifice, and Vaishno Devi. You can see, I think most of you guys might have seen this coin in the transaction. So this is Vaishno Devi coin. So these are the files just wanted to show you. So you can start collecting, and then you can make these type of files, so it will be very easy for you. Thank you.